Hi guys, my name is Shabaz Salim and you are watching my YouTube channel SAK Creations. So guys, we are back with latest unique bridal blouse designs. It's a very elegant design and we also use these blouse designs with the gold zardosi. Gold zardosi was so much expensive. It's a maximum 16 to 1700 per kg. Okay, so we are using this all work, we are making this all work with zardosi. Okay, so printing are done and also dry. This all printing are dry. Okay, look at this front neck, this is a front, this is a right sleeves, and also in this left sleeves. Okay, so I'll tell you what material we use in these blouse designs. We use some red color resham, gold zardosi, tiki, sugar beads, and also gold kasab, and this is a actual printing paper. And if you want that type of design paper, my company will not allow to sell this type of design paper. We just sell tracing machine and this type of paper. So it's very easy to make your design at home. If you need any type of help, my team will do your help. Okay, if you want tracing machine, please do WhatsApp on the same number, and this all material have a link in the description box. Okay, so right now we are start to stitching some zardosi load on the sleeves. Okay, so look at this, and this type of zardosi, if you want zardosi load, you need to cut. Zardosi was a little bit small size. If you want zardosi all around the kundans and all around the other work, so you need to cut your zardosi long size. Okay, so needle was a 7 number wooden needle, and wooden needle have a one query about this needle not for a beginner. If you are a pro level and you just attend one or 2 month classes, so I think you will use this type of needle. If you are beginner, you have no idea anything, so I think this needle not for you guys. You use iron needle. Okay, so right now we are on the back and start to stitching some gold kasab load. Gold kasab is a very different varieties in the silk thread. Silk thread was soft and it's not very shiny, but this gold color kasab was looking very shiny and also very thick. So needle was a 2 tar, and same as it is, we are stitching all the flowers, and we also had lots of work in this blouse design, and all work is a very unique and new. I think you never seen before. And look at this, a little bit round tikis. It's tikis and it's very popular in zardosi line. Okay, so look at this flower. First we are start stitching a straight line, then we are start to stitching like this cross type of flowers. Okay, look at this leaf was a ready, and also we are also stitching some zardosi flowers. Okay, and you can see the middle side of space. We are filling this space with the French knots. I'll show you in this video in the last part. Okay, so now we are start to stitching other work. This is a zardosi, one straight zardosi and one cross on the top of the zardosi. Okay, so now we are start stitching some leaf flower with gold color kasab, and also bending these are flowers with gold color kasab, and this needle, 2 tar needle, you know. And if you want any type of needle, please do WhatsApp on the same number. And if anyone to like these designs and want to buy these designs, you also do same number WhatsApp, and you just tell me which color you want, and you don't need to send your fabric in my house and my boutique. You just tell me which color you want and send your body measurement. Okay, and talk about price, and just done. We will make your blouse designs beautiful with the good quality work, and also delivered easily between under 1 week. Okay, look at this. And we also have one more thing, guys. We give you a more option in the back neck shape. Okay, we also give you U shape, round neck, pot shape, square, and lots of type of the back shape. Okay, we also make your according choice, and we also make your body measurement size. So now we are start to stitching some zardosi load, leaf load zardosi, and needle was a 7 number, you know. And same as it is, we are stitching all flowers, then we are start to stitching here gold kasab all around the leaf, all around the flowers, and all around the these are leaves. Okay, same as it is, we are start to stitching like this. Look at this. First you need to fill your full needles with the zardosi, then you are start to stitching like this. Okay, first straight line, then cross and cross and cross, and complete your flower like this. Okay, look at this work quality. My all workers was a very good quality worker. It's a maximum, every workers have a 10 to 15 years experience of this type of work. Now we are start to stitching some not a stitching, we are start to sticking some jerkins. First we are start to stitching some jerkin stand, then we are start to sticking some jerkin like this. Okay, and if you do like this one, you need to leave this type of work maximum 10 to 15 minutes for dry. When you blouse dry, I think it's looking good and also strong. Okay, same as it is, you need to hang one wooden stick like this, and some glue in the back of the wood like this, and take it same as it is. This is not a special wood stick. Okay, this is a normal matchbox stick. It's a very common and also available in your side. Look at this, same as it is, beautiful. It's a very good idea, and if you beginner, you have no idea like this type, so you just follow this step. It's a very useful. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some booties on the back neck, because the back have a just one border and maximum border length was 2.5 inches. So we are start to stitching some booties on the back neck, because my customer was a demand, I want booties in the back neck, so that's why we are sticking some booties. Okay, and also using 7 number wooden needle, and also 2 T keys. Look at this, one zardosi upper side. First we are stitching one zardosi with the T key, then we are start to stitching one zardosi top of the zardosi. Look at this, this is a very unique flower. Okay, we are not making same like this type flowers all in the back. I'll just show you, this is a different quality of flower. Okay, so now I'll show you other work. Okay, same as it is, we are stitching on the back, and now we are start to stitching on the sleeves. Same flower, making all the sleeves. And look at this, when you're making some little bit flower, so it, I think your sleeves looking too much spacey, so much free space in your sleeves. If you stitching like this type of booties, so I think your sleeves looking good and also looking very bridal type of. Okay, so I'll show you the main project of French knots. French knot, it's a very different work and also very difficult work. If you beginner, I think you take too much time to learn that type of work. And also French knots work is a very high quality work and also very high in the price. Okay, look at this, because silk thread, all silk thread I think was very expensive in my idea. Now we are start to stitching main and very beautiful French knots. In this one thread have a 16 thread. Okay, 16 thread and that type of fold and downside. Look at this, yeah, look at this one complete. Same as it is, we are stitching all around the flower, then we are start to stitching with other. Look at this, same as it is, just focused on this. If you join my classes, I will teach you everything like this type of work, everything. One month classes we will teach you basic. If you join my 3 month classes, we teach you basic to pro between 3 months, and you become a best designer in your society and also in your family. Look at this, I'll show you the final blouse look like. Okay, so I have a little bit work on also sleeves, so we are stitching here and complete this French knots, then I'll show you the final blouse look. Okay, look at these sleeves, look at this back, very beautiful and very elegant design. In this design's maximum price I think 3600 rupees, because this is a totally zardosi work. Zardosi work also expensive than metal work. Metal work have a little bit price down, but zardosi work also price high. Okay, and that time I'll show you the final blouse look. Guys, ready? Okay, got it. This is the final blouse design look, guys. Look at this quality, and these are all printing mark are gone with easily. Don't worry about that. Okay, Look at this quality, guys. I love these designs and also love this beautiful color combination. Gold color, iconic gold color, very beautiful. And back cover also you need 2-3 type of option, like pot neck, U shape, square, any type of design you want. You just tell me, I will make according your choice, guys. Okay, look at these sleeves and also look at this beautiful flower in the middle side of sleeve. Okay, very beautiful and very elegant design. If you want this blouse design, please do WhatsApp on the same number. And I hope you enjoyed this video and learning so much learning from my video related to Aariwork. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, please do subscribe and also press the bell icon.